look amazing. I mean, I look so damn, I look like crap. I need to get it together in about a few minutes to go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia and today's video is going to be my go-to mommy makeup routine, and I'm gonna successfully complete this entire look in only a handful of minutes using a handful of products. The longer it takes for me to get these intros out, I'm like, ah! I'm just gonna jump right into this video, but before I do that, I encourage you guys to leave me your thoughts, comments, opinions, and requests in the comment section down below, and also like, share, and subscribe to this channel to support me and my efforts to bring new content to you guys this year in 2018. I'm so excited, and let's get started. So I'm gonna moisturize my face using Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow Moisturizer all over my face. I'm trying not to get distracted by the fact that it smells so good. So just put this all over my face and give it a second to really go. I'm gonna be using the Skin Glowing Balm, and this is from Estee Edit by Estee Lauder, and just using a few pumps to the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my face and then just blend it all over my skin. Nothing too serious. Hopefully you guys can tell that I've been losing weight. You know, I got a trainer and I'm trying to keep it right, keep it tight, and I'm going broke. That's probably why I'm getting skinnier, because the Lord knows getting a trainer is mucho dinero. Next, I'm going to go in with a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium. This is going to go underneath my eyes, really concentrating on the inner corners because that's where all of my iron deficiency and sleepless nights is showing. A little bit on my chin, my nose, and then also in the middle of my forehead. Blending that out using the same sponge. Like, I know I'm in a rush, but you really want to make sure that you blend everything out. Did I tell you guys once I contoured my face, which I'm going to do next, using the Hoola Quickie contour stick from Benefit Cosmetics, and it comes in just one shade, so you can't get it wrong. Just a little bit on the tip of my nose and a little bit on my chin. So, anyhow, I had contoured my face and I forgot to blend this one out, so it looked like I was starting to grow a goatee. Not cute, because I was driving in traffic and trying to do my makeup at the same time. That's dangerous, don't do that. I'm gonna pull my hair up really quick because it's starting to bother me. Okay, we're doing pretty good. Next up, I'm going to set the cream using a little bit of Burts Bees 1215 Toasted Cinnamon. This is just one of like their blonde bronzer blushes, and I'm going to pat that right here, right in the hollows of my cheeks. A little bit on the sides of my nose, chin, just for an all-over glow. Next up is the L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Glow Nude Highlighter Palette. I feel like I lost all of my breath saying that. I'm going to take this shade right here and mix it with this pinky one right there. I feel like this one is actually coming on really silver and really light, so too light for my liking. So I'm just barely touching my face, and look how intense this is. So pretty. I'm gonna do up here on my brows, above my brow, a little on my nose, and a little bit on my cheek for an all-around glow. Then I'm going to be using Tarte's Tarte's Lip Paint in Exposed. It's just like a nude color. This one you can definitely apply in traffic or at the last minute. Don't die. Then I'm going to go ahead and quickly do my eyebrows. So what I want to do is just find the shape with the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit Cosmetics. And I'm going to start with the spoolie end and just sweep all of my brows up to build the shape of your brows. Then at the front, I'm going to do really light strokes of hair going up like that. Just really up, 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 up. Then I'm going to take a little bit of Brow Boy from Glossier or Glossier, whatever you want to call it. And this one is in dark brown, so I'm just going to go up and then pull it throughout the rest of the hair, and that's it. That's it for my brows. Next up, I'm going to take a palette from Laura Mercier, and I'm just going to be taking an eyeshadow called Metallic Bronze Gold, and I'm just going to dust that all over my lid. So concentrating on that. And then I'm going to take a fluffier domed blending brush and use a shade called Earth Clay, and it's just like a nice taupey brown color, and I'm just going to go right into my crease to further blend that out. I don't want this look to be too harsh and too sexy and too smoky. I'm literally going to the dentist, like calm down. So I'm adding a quick coat of Better Than Sex Mascara from Too Faced Cosmetics. Actually, I should add a little bit of that mascara to my bottom lashes as well, just because I feel like they're a little bit naked. Put a little bit down there. And that's it. Super, super, super easy. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I have to go, but before I take off, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not already. Join my family, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!